this thing that I bought yesterday is something that I never had when I was a kid. As in, I never had any console game to play with growing up. Ilang araw na lang, magpapasko na. Actually, 5 days na lang. But yesterday is December 19. And I did something very, I don't know if it's impulsive or something, but I think medyo pinag-isipan naman. Oh, ano ba to? Of course, PS5. I'm talking about PS5. So let's go. Oh, there you go. This is it. So this one is PS5 SLIM with dual controller. Dalawa, syempre. One for me and one for you. So, ayan. Ito game. Iba sinisira lang yan eh. But actually, this is heavy. So, ayoko nang... I need help. This is it. HDMI. And may charger. USB Type-C. So, para pan-charge din ng ating mga controller. And this is our look. The controller. Ganda, no? Minsan nakakagamit ako nito kapag sa tournament kami. So, ito yung total na binayaran natin. I also bought 2 games. Total na binayaran natin is 33,870. That includes with 2 controllers and 2 games na din siya. O, diba? Dalawa na din yung game natin. Stellar Blade. The game of the year, Astrobot. Are we gonna get this? Ooh. Careful. So, ito yung slim. Wow. So, this is the PS5 SLIM. Actually, parang hawig na rin naman siya ng PS5 Pro eh. Ayan. Tanan! Oh my God! Can I hug this? Grabe, ano mo? Wala ako nito dati. Like, I never had this one in my entire life. Hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung mga games sa PS5 eh. Hindi ko nga alam kung yung feeling na merong PlayStation. Every gamer's dream. So, ang ganda. This is the slim version. Actually, last year pa ito ni-release. Pero, I think that this is the best time to get this one. If you're aiming for this, nako, dapat din nyo na pinakawalan yung sale. Siguro din, baka magkaroon din ng sale kasi magkakaroon ng PS5 Pro next year. Wow! So, meron siyang HDMI, LAN cable, dalawang USB connection, and of course, meron ding pang Type-C. And yun. And then dito yung saksakan niya ng disc. So, usually masaya na ako sa mga computer games and yung mga games na nilalaro ko dati nung bata ako, yung available lang. But now, that of course we're adults and we get to play games more often, especially sa PC and sa mobile. But of course, meron pa akong hindi natatry. And kung hindi nyo alam guys, so nagkaroon sila ng sale this December. So, yun. And last day kasi yung December 19. Kaya naman, I did grab my chance na to buy one. It's now on. Okay, let's see in the monitor. Team Asobi. Wow. I can really feel it from here. Wow, grabe. So technically, Astrobot was created just to show the thing that your controller can do. You can really feel it from here. Yung pagiging dual sense. And yung vibration. Wow. Grabe. So, ayan siya. Adaptive triggers. Next, touchpad. Oh, ito pala yung touchpad. Ang galing. Next. So, this is really how it feels to have PS5. And they have motion sensor. That's super cool. Microphone. Hello. To blow? Bakit ganon? Magbo-blow. Oh, ito na si Astrobot.